Missoula is going to tie the record for the second driest stretch of weather this week.
But the question is now whether it could become the driest ever.
Last year, when we were suffering through 46 days without a drop of rain, choking on smoke from hundreds of thousands of acres on fire, it seemed like an unbelievable event you might never see again. But not so fast. While we haven't had the big lightning-caused fires this summer, the weather has been just as dry.
Missoula has gone 41 days now without measurable precipitation. We've had a few showers hit the valley, but nothing really here at the airport. We've gotten a few traces, but nothing of good significance since July 3rd.
In fact, Tuesday will mark the 42nd dry day, tying the second driest stretch Missoula has seen in 3 years, 1896, 1902, and in 2012. In 2012, we were all talking about the dry stretch as an anomaly, a year that led to the huge Sawtooth fire outside Hamilton, and an entire month of September when we didn't see the sun through smoke-filled skies. Now we're facing that same scenario again.
So it's actually kind of becoming our normal, where we do get about the end of June, sometime in July, we just get this ridge of high pressure that sits over the top of us. We go long periods without any precipitation. We generally get our heat during that time. So it is actually becoming our normal. We've been seeing our hottest years for the past couple of decades now. So
the good news is that very wet spring and early summer, coupled with fluctuating temperatures, is helping out. Fields and forests are dry, but still showing a little green on closer inspection. And while it's been another extremely dry summer here at Missoula's official weather station, the forecast models are starting to suggest there might be a change by the end of this week. That could start with a more usual push of monsoonal moisture into southwest Montana Wednesday and Thursday, which might push north into Missoula to end the week.
Then we actually get another system moving through that could potentially bring Missoula some much needed precipitation, but there's still a lot of uncertainty. Again, that's looking about the Thursday, Friday time frame. But actually come this weekend, we could potentially just build that ridge back over the top of us, and we could go another extended period without precipitation. But again, there's a lot of uncertainty kind of late week into the weekend.
Aaron will talk more about this in a few minutes, but if we don't get any measurable rain, Missoula will tie the all-time dry record Saturday and set a new record at 47 days if we make it to Sunday.